channel and welcome to another try on haul. I'm starting this one a little bit differently because I have some pieces here that I'm not trying on for you and some accessories that I need to show you, so that's why I'm sitting down. But after that I will show you the try on pieces. This is gonna be a very small haul. I thought I was gonna get more stuff, but I haven't had the time and I really want to start wearing this stuff, so I thought I'd just film this video for you, and I'll give you another one when I buy more stuff. So if you want to see my try on haul, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first couple of pieces that I'm gonna show you are chonchons and bras. That's why I'm not gonna try them on for you. I'm actually wearing one right now, so you're probably not gonna see that one, but it was like a pair. I could, could I? No. Okay. You're not going to see the one that I'm wearing. It is part of a set though, so you'll see the matching pair to, you'll see the matching bra. So let's get into that. The first set is the one that came with the one that I'm wearing. The one that I'm wearing is a pinky, like a blush pink color with the lace. I don't know if you can see this. Oh my gosh, this is awkward. Okay. Anyway, they are Playtex bras. They were on special. Normal price is $450. I got them for $400. This is a 38C, so there's a lot of room in the cup, but the waistband is actual perfection. So obviously because they're on sale, they had limited sizing. So I am a C cup, but I'm a 44 or 46C. So this one was a 48C. So I figured why not. So this is the bra. This is the print that it has. Cute little flowers. Matches really nicely with the one I'm wearing. Yeah, it's just a plain, simple wide band, which is super important. It's got 3 clasps, which is the basic minimum that I need, and then it's got this lace detail up here. Yeah, it's an underwire bra, Playtex. These are my favorite kind of bras. They're so comfortable. They're not padded, so they don't make my chest look enormous. I don't need that help. My chest is already pretty big, so the one that I'm wearing it doesn't have a pattern, so it's just a plain pink color, like a blush pink. So these two came together for $400, and then this one I don't have its pair as well. Actually, let me get it. Hold on. Okay, so I just went to go get the other one. These two came together as a set. These two colors, really pretty. This first one is a black, so this one is a 44C, which is my perfect size. It's a black version of the other one. It's got the lace at the top, no padding, and the wide band on the side with the 3 clasps, must always. So yeah, pretty comfortable Playtex, super comfortable. And what's this color? Like a khaki, chocolate brown, milk chocolate, I don't know. Okay, yeah, this one is a 44C, like I said. Adjustable straps as usual, thick band, 3 clasps, pretty lace at the top with the pretty detailing on the material. This is the perfect size. It cups my breasts perfectly, so that is amazing. I also got matching underwear for that chocolate and black set. They're okay, I can't break that. These are in a size 2XL, Playtex, and these were $210. They are what are these called? Briefs? Are they briefs? I don't know, but they are the longer set of underwear compared to like a normal bikini. They're almost briefy, like a full back and the lacy front here, super cute, and they match those. So I got the matching sets. There's the black. There we go. So that's how that one looks. And then my sister got underwear that was the wrong size for her. It was seamless underwear, so she got them in extra large from the brand Shelly. There's 2 of them, this one and a black one. I probably wore the black one, so I only have this one to show you. But yeah, seamless underwear always is pretty big because it stretches so much. But yeah, this is extra large. I've worn them before. They're extremely comfortable. These were $179. So it was a pack of 2 of them, this color and the black, for $179, which coincidentally they almost match this bra set. So that was amazing. And then the last thing that I have to show you is this cute, adorably cute, I'm obsessed with it, little money bag from ALDO. Let me get the receipt for you quickly. It was on promotion. It was the last one at the store. The price was $169, and it's this really cute money little wallet that you can attach to your keys or anything. They have a matching bag that goes with it. It looks so cute together, but I'm not really spending right now because I'm saving up to get a new camera or 2. So yeah, I got this little bag. I saw one in Jessica's video. Hers was like a snake. Hers was like a snake print, almost like a marble black and gray and white one. So I definitely wanted one, especially when you go to the gym. You don't want to carry your whole purse, so you just slip your card in there, driver's license, and you're good to go. So this was really cool. I was so excited when I got it. It was the only one in the store left. Original price was $250, but I got it on sale for $169. Yeah, cute little purse, really, really dainty. And then it has this palm leaf on it, and the gold detailing is just stunning, absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. The little what is this called, like the little charm on the keychain says ALDO, obviously, but this is so cute and I can't wait to start using it now. I'm excited about that. Okay, so that is everything for the sit down portion of this video. Now we're gonna move on to the try on portion, where I'll show you all the clothes that I purchased. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna start the try on section with this top. This is okay, so we're gonna start this try on section with this shirt. This is a Harry Potter shirt. It says Harry Potter in foiled gold over the decolletage area. It is a size XXL. It's a female cut. It's from Pick and Pay Clothing, and yeah, the arms are pretty loose, pretty comfortable. It's pretty comfortable overall. I would just say that it is cut pretty short, so it is on the shorter side of like a shirt that I'm used to wearing, I guess. It's just a little bit shorter than normal, but it's cute. It says Harry Potter. It was 99 bucks. And this is like that ironed on feeling, so it is going to do this thing. I don't know if you can see, but it's like cracking, so it is gonna do that. But overall, it's a comfortable shirt. It's black. It's perfect. Okay, so the next piece that I have here is another Harry Potter shirt, also from Pick and Pay. The previous one was 99 rand, this one's also 99 rand, and the next Pick and Pay item that I'm going to show you was also 99 rand. So this is another Harry Potter shirt. It says Hufflepuff and all of this stuff. But yeah, this is a men's shirt. It is from the men's section. You can just see it sits a lot longer, a lot looser, and it's a XXL, whereas the women's shirt was a XXL. So this is how it sits. It's pretty cute. I like this look, you know, just like a cute little knot. Okay, there we go. Cute little knot, maybe in the middle knot would be so cute. but let's pull those up. Yeah, this is cute. I would maybe wear it like this. Depends on how the outfit goes, but this goes like this outfit's pretty cute. See? So this is cute. It gives you the allowance to do that because all the print is on top here. Love that, like a middle knot to be so cute as well. And there we go. Okay, you'd have to tuck that in. Actually, you can just cut this off. But anyway, like, how cute is this? Oh my gosh. Wow. Cute. Men's shirt. I always shop in the men's section. Like, it's kind of my thing. It's kind of how I roll. So this is cute. Like, I wouldn't mind going to the men's section if I get cute stuff like this. Oh, I like it. Okay, I like it. Let's try on the next piece. So this next piece that I'm going to show you is a dress from Pick n Pay. It's this, I don't know, what would you call this? I don't know, racer neckline? I don't know, but it's not really. I know what a racer neckline is. What is this, like a halter maybe? But I think halter, anyway, halter I think meets around the neck, but whatever. It's this cute dress from Pick n Pay. It's the perfect length. It just like right by my knee, which is perfect, modest length, almost like a midi dress. So it is a bodycon dress. It's made out of the stretchy material. It's 99 rand, like I said. Let me show you the print up close. That's what this looks. This is what the print looks like. And it's just different and different colors all over. It's so pretty. It is a size XXL, and I think it's supposed to sit really high in the front, or I'm stretching it too much. I don't know, because otherwise it just feels extremely uncomfortable. But anyway, this is the dress. It's super cute. I like it. Very nice color scheme. Very flattering. It's really, really nice. I actually like it a lot. Super stretchy, like I said. XXL from the women's. It's called the Real Basics section. Pick n Pay. I like it. Let's change into the next item. Okay, so the next piece is this beautiful maxi dress from EDGARS. It was $3.79 and that was a promotional price. I can't remember what the original price was, but if I find the little price card, I will put it on the screen. It's this cute little beige, almost like nude colored maxi dress. It has a slip dress underneath. The dress is connected, so they're both connected to each other. So you don't have to struggle putting on the slip dress before you put the top part on. So it's connected over here, I believe. And then it has a slit right down the middle, which is really, really, really cute. It is pretty long. I am, well, last time I checked, I was 157 centimeters. Was 157 centimeters. I don't know what that is right now, but this dress is pretty long. With that height, I do step on it, as you can see. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So yeah, it's got this beautiful material. I'm gonna show you a close-up. Here we are. Beautiful, like guava colored pink flowers with some darker pinks and then greens, and then it has like shiny material, like strings of shiny material running through the entire dress. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there's like strings of really shiny material going through it. And you can just imagine how that catches the light when you're outside. It also has sleeves. As you can see, the sleeves have a ruffle on the end, and then it's got a V-neck neckline, and then the slip dress is covering your décolletage area. But yeah, really nice, super long. I don't know if you guys know this, but I am obsessed with maxi dresses, and yeah, I have quite a few here to show you. This one's from EDGARS. Really like it. So pretty, so flattering. It is a size 24, so yeah, 24, $3.79. Beautiful, flowy, just dreamy maxi dress. Okay, you guys, so I think that's where I'm gonna end this haul for today. I thought I was gonna add the rest of the items that I purchased, but while editing I realized it was gonna be way too long of a video, so I decided to split the videos. You will get the next haul probably right after this one. Maybe I'll put like a vlog in between, I'm not sure, but it will come really soon because it's already filmed. Maybe I can refilm it because this one was in like soft focus the entire time, which is really annoying, and it's the second time I'm like refilming this video, so I'm really sorry about that. Sorry about the soft focus, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am in something warm now because it's kind of chilly, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out on all my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video.